Is it just me? Or is the right way to load the dishwasher actually a level 10 moral conflict? So your partner puts the forks in randomly, but your brain sees that spatial efficiency error and it is too painful to ignore. Look, this isn't perfectionism, this is pattern matching. If the system isn't optimized, my brain treats it like a check engine light that just won't go away. Well, here's how we fixed it. We call this domain autonomy. Whoever starts the chore owns the logic. So, if she's the one loading, I just have to walk away before my pattern glitch triggers an argument. Because if I don't walk away, I'll end up asking,